Hey, this is Tuhon from LightHaven, and today we're going to be doing a drill that was taught to me by GrandTuhon himself, and it's based around the idea of knife switching. Now the cool thing about this drill is that it still very much stays within the principles of Pekiti, and the really important thing to understand is when we're looking at combat again from within the Pekiti spectrum, we're thinking of always occupying the space between me and my opponent when I'm within range to be able to strike my opponent, right? So let's say my opponent is somewhere here. When I am at long range or when I'm close enough to be able to attack my opponent or they're able to attack me, I only want to be at that range. That's Rocky, by the way, he's a neighborhood dog. But I only want to be at that range when I choose to be at that range, when I am the one who's attacking my opponent. I don't want to be at that range when my opponent is attacking me. In that case, I'm out. I'm out like further than long range. I'm not within engagement range, right? But if I am in that range where I can hit my opponent and of course by extension they can hit me, then I always want to be dictating what's happening in that space. So I never want that to just be empty space between me and my opponent, right? I always want that space to be filled by either my knife in this case or my hand in the form of a hack, a punch or a frame. So this drill takes that into account as well. So the first thing that we have to do before we learn the drill is learn how we're going to be doing these switches, right? So the first is you should just be able to clap. And as I clap, I'm placing the knife in the other hand and I'm replacing one hand with the other hand. So place and replace, place and replace, place and replace. This is ensuring that I'm not grabbing the blade, I'm not dropping the knife, and I am able to do this even with my eyes closed. I can do this knife switch, right? That's really important because under pressure I don't have a chance to be looking at the knife because then I'm not looking at my opponent. I have to be able to switch my grips even without looking at where my knife is. Okay, so that's the first way. The second way, I'm going to do a very similar thing, except here instead of clapping on the hands, I'm going to bring this hand to the bottom where my wrist is, and then I'm going to slide the hand up until it meets the hilt, and then I'm just going to rotate and place. And now I have not only switched hands, but I've also switched grips. So I can do the same when I'm going back also. Find my own forearm or my own wrist, slide it up, touch, switch grips, switch hands. Okay, so you have to be comfortable with both of these ways of switching. Just switching hands, but not switching grips, but also switching grips and switching hands. You should be able to do both. So once you're comfortable with those grip switches, let's do the drill. So I'm going to start with the knife in saksa or hammer grip, and I'm going to go straight with a straight thrust, right? The other hand is going to slap my bicep. Now this slap to the bicep is important because as I pull the knife back, I'm going to use this hand and I'm going to trace my own arm. I'm going to trace my own arm. As I reach my thumb over here, remember what we said, I'm going to place the knife in the hand and replace one hand with the other hand as I continue to slide this hand back, and then this hand goes forward in a knife jab. Now as I pull this hand back, I'm going to do what I said earlier. I meet the bottom of my hand, I place, replace and switch grips. Now this is the last important part. As I pull this hand back, I'm hitting with that hack. So it's a hack, thrust, switch hands and grips, come back, switch hands and grip, hack, thrust, switch hands and grip, switch hands and switch grip. From the other side once. Thrust, pull it back, switch hands and the grip, pull it back, switch hands and the grip, hit with the hack, thrust, pull it back, switch hands and the grip, pull it back, switch hands and the grip, and hack. I'm going to take a quick break in the video to tell you a little bit about the exclusive content that we offer on our YouTube memberships as well as on our Patreon page. On both pages, we have exclusive extended versions of these videos that go out on YouTube for free. And we also have one more series called the Drill of the Week, where I look at double stick, double knife, single knife, stick and knife, empty hands, and I give you a series of drills that you can spend the entire week practicing. That's on our YouTube memberships as well as on our Patreon page. On our Patreon page, however, we have two exclusive series that only happen there. There's something called a Tuhon Training Thoughts, where I give you my thoughts on training, on fighting, how I approach training fighters, how I approach the martial arts in general. And then we have a longer video called Ancient Arts Modern Warriors, where you and I can geek out on the martial arts together. We're talking about the evolution of the martial arts, the relevance of the martial arts, how they're connected to each other, where they're going from here. It's just a longer way for us to geek out or nerd out on the martial arts together. So if you'd like to know anything more about any of these two pages, please do check out the links in the description down below. Now back to the video. Now the timing of this is important because I don't want to do this. Hit, pull back, switch hands, hit, pull back, switch hands, hit, pull back, switch hands. The idea is as I pull back one attack, the other attack starts to go out. As I pull this attack back, the other attack starts to go out. So it's kind of like the way that I taught it today in my online class was, imagine that you're punching, right? You don't learn to punch, 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 punch. That's not how we learn to punch. The retraction of one punch is the extension of the other punch. As this retracts, this extends. As this retracts, so it's that motion, right? It's as one comes back, the other goes out. It's not punch, retract, punch, retract, punch, retract. That's the similar concept in what we're doing. As the knife comes back, I'm meeting it with my hand halfway so that I can continue the motion forward. As this comes back, I'm meeting it halfway so I can switch and hit with that hand. And essentially what the hands are doing is go out and back, go out and back, out and back, right? That's essentially what you're doing. Hit, pull back, switch, hit, pull back. So even if I do it really slowly, I'm still sticking to that same idea that as the weapon comes back, the next attack goes out. That's a really important thing to play around with. Now I'm of course using a real knife. This is a really beautiful pattern welded blade that I was gifted. It was made in Udaipur and it was a beautiful gift from a student. I would not of course recommend you guys doing this with a real blade because it's very easy to get this wrong and cut yourselves. I would recommend first doing this with a training blade, and if you're doing it right, you're not going to be grabbing the blade. You're literally going to place and replace the hands and you should be just fine. So play around with this. Again, this was the drill that was taught to me by GrandTuhon himself. Play around with this and let me know how it goes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, if you learned from what you saw, please do like and share this video. If you have anything to add, any comments or any questions, leave that in the comments down below. Please do subscribe to the channel. All of these things really do help out the school and the channel a lot. A huge thank you to everybody on our YouTube memberships and everybody on our Patreon page. Thank you guys so much for your support. If you would like to know more about the exclusive content that we offer on either of the pages, check out the links in the description down below. Lastly, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.